Okay, so in this short video, I'm going to show you how to install the MicroPython onto your Raspberry Pi Pico-W. Alright, so first you need to get your Pico-W out. Then you connect your USB micro cable to your Pico-W. Then the other hand, you connect it to your computer. Alright, so once you connect it, there's a folder that will pop up automatically. Okay, and next, I'll show you how to mount the MicroPython onto the Raspberry Pi RP2 folder that I just opened. Alright, so once you've connected, then you need to come to your search engine, either Google, whichever one you're using. Type in MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico-W UF2. So this is very important. Then it's going to take you to this link. Okay. So yep. So this is what you want. You want for Pico-W, because there are two versions or three versions of the Raspberry Pi Pico now. We have the first one, which is the Raspberry Pi Pico. Then we have the Pico-W. Then we have the version 2. So what you want for this particular is the Pico-W. Okay. So it shows you some steps in which you can install the MicroPython. Okay, but the easiest is to come here and download the latest release. So if you wish to use any of the previous release, you can download. But let's say we're using the latest release, so you just click on this. So automatically it's going to download onto your system. Then you go to where it's downloaded, say view folder. All right. So this is it here. So you just copy from your download folder and paste into the directory that was open for the Raspberry Pi Pico-W. So you copy and paste here. Once you paste it, automatically, once it's programmed or installed, it automatically closes this folder, and that tells you that you have installed your, yeah, you can see it's closed. So your MicroPython has been installed onto your Raspberry Pi Pico-W. Now you can now come and open Tony. Once you open Tony, again you go to configure interpreter, then make sure it's MicroPython that is selected. MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico is selected. Then leave this as try to detect port automatically. Click OK. So once that is done, the moment you come here and it shows you this, it will show you the Raspberry Pi Pico that is connected to your system, and the Tony ID is able to communicate with it. Then it will show you these three prompts. All right. So now that you have your MicroPython, it will tell you the version, MicroPython version 1.24.1. Okay. Raspberry Pi Pico-W with RP2040. All right. So that means your MicroPython is already mounted or installed on your Pico-W. So to test it, we can just give some commands on our console. I'll say print, say hello world. Okay. All right. So once I send this command, this is what's going to happen. This command will be sent to the MicroPython on the Raspberry Pi Pico-W, and it's going to execute it in the Raspberry Pi Pico-W and send the response back to our Tony ID console. So if I press enter, this is going to take some time. Yeah, so you can see. So it means our MicroPython has been well installed on our Raspberry Pi Pico-W. All right, thank you. Bye.